music on this program as Chris Mathis.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and I've got a quickie for you. This is the RETEKESS model TR629. I just got it from Amazon. It's on sale right now. This is July 12th, the second day of the Prime members sale on Amazon. I got this for $39. It was $10 off. I just want to do a quick review, so maybe you have time to catch one of these. It's fairly good size. Got a carrying handle. Like I say, I was going to do a quickie here. I just briefly, for 5 minutes, just kind of tried some things. It's AM, FM, shortwave, MP3 player, MP3 recorder. I believe it only records off of the radio, I think. I didn't see any indication of a microphone. The manual is very, very short. Even though it's very thick, it's about 20 languages, but it's only like 6 pages, and they're small pages. Frequency, let me get my glasses here a second. The conclusion is, my immediate reaction is, it's a great buy. You should get one. And you can always return it if you don't like it. I've only tested it for 5 minutes. So I just wanted to get this out. The FM frequency is 76 megahertz to 108 megahertz. The medium frequency, medium wave, is 530 to 1710. And I don't know if it'll show up. You see something's been pasted over here. Now it does indicate that it has 9 kilohertz and 10 kilohertz steps on medium wave. I haven't tried it. It came up 10 kilohertz. It runs off AC, which I'm using right now, or 3 D cells. 3 D cells, which means D cell has a lot of capacity. It will probably play for a long time. Has a short, maybe 2-foot telescopic antenna. It tunes the entire shortwave band from 2.3 megahertz to 21.19. Well, it's not the entire band, but anyway, it's continuous. It's not just the international broadcast bands. It has a clock, alarm, timer, sleep timer. It does have ATS. I don't know if it shows up. It's ATS right there. And it works on all bands. I have no idea how many memory locations it has. It doesn't say anything in the manual about, it tells you how to use it. It doesn't tell you how many memory locations. So I'll have to test or try to test that. I did do a scan on all bands, AM, FM, shortwave. The band select is here. This big knob is volume. And in a couple of these buttons, you can direct tune, keypad. A couple of these buttons have duplicate or secondary options, like the 9 to 10 kilohertz, and this is either 12-hour or 24-hour clock. And I think if you push and hold this one, then you can enter a frequency directly. Down here we have the selection of the radio or the USB TF card function for recording and playing back. Up here we had power, ATS, clock, alarm, and record. And then these other buttons are, once you've got something recorded, you can move around on the tracks. You can also, according to the manual, I haven't tried it, you can, when you're in the playback mode, you can select a specific track by keying in the track number. I haven't tried it. See See if anything else that jumps out in this manual that I haven't told you about. Nope. Okay. We'll turn it on. It's on. I don't know if there's a way, because it's a nice display, but it times out. I don't know if there's any way to keep the display on, because it's a nice, pretty easy to read display. Even me, with my poor eyes, I can read this across the room. I'll have to see. I don't see anything about it. Like I say, the manual is very short. Okay, let's just turn up the volume. This is medium wave. That's interesting. It's at 622. Huh. Okay. So it's tuning at 1 kilohertz rate. And now we can go, let's see, how do I get into memory mode? That's not it. Oh, there we go. Okay. I did a quick scan. This is what I found. I found 21 medium wave stations in my locale in not a particular good orientation. It was just whatever where I was sitting at the time. I did an FM scan. We can go to FM. Now, one thing I did notice is this band select button. It's a little flaky. Not flaky, but a little wimpy. It works fine. It just feels kind of wimpy. I don't know how to describe it. So there's FM. If I do this, I think. Okay, here's the stations I found. Let me go to the last one. Go backwards here. So I found 38 FM stations in my area. 38. That's fabulous. And that's using the built-in telescopic antenna. That's all I can say. I want to get this video up and loaded before the end. Maybe the Prime deal is already over. I'm sorry. I just got this radio. And it's, what time is it? It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So maybe you might miss. I just checked online and it's still on sale for $39.95. So maybe Prime is over, but maybe it's not. I don't know. I wish I could have gotten it sooner. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.